Yeah. So in this session, we will discuss about how to use async and await in ForEach, for loop, for of loops. Okay. So for explaining this concept, I am going to explain one scenario. Like I am taking one scenario like so here. This is API. Okay. In this, I am giving request to MySQL for getting EMP number, ename, sal. Okay. And by using ForEach, I am going to connect to MongoDB and using async and await for getting EMP number, ename, sal. But I don't want to take EMP number and ename. Just I am taking sal column from MongoDB based on the EMP number in MySQL. Okay, and appending that result sal column from MongoDB to the result set which comes from the MySQL along with index. Okay, so index means suppose in array 5 objects are there. Okay, so we can give the object number in that array by using index. Okay, so that thing also I want to explain in this session. And finally, I will get EMP number, ename, salary from MySQL, and based on EMP number, I am going to the MongoDB and fetch the salary from MongoDB and append it to the result set along with the index. Okay, so don't get confused. EMP number, ename, sal from MySQL, and sal column is coming from MongoDB based on the EMP number in MySQL and giving to that result. Okay, so the sal column from MongoDB we call it as Mongo sal. Okay,
Sal column is there in MySQL also.
Yeah, MySQL also.
Which one will take MongoDB sal?
No. I am going to take another column for storing the sal column from MongoDB. That is called Mongo sal. Okay, so that means how to use async await functionality in ForEach loop. Okay, for explaining that concept, I am taking this example. Okay, so don't get confused. Finally, you will get 3 columns from MySQL, 1 column from Mongo sal, and another column for index, that which refers to the object number. Okay, do you have any questions?
No sir.
Okay, so 3 columns from MySQL, 1 column from MongoDB. Okay, that sal column, that is also based on EMP number. So here I am taking these 3 records. So first of all, go to this database test and truncate the EMP table, and there are no records. Okay, so now I am going to insert 3 records in MySQL. Okay, EMP number 1, 2, 3 employee names A, B, C, salary 1000, 2000, 3000. Okay, so just insert these records. Okay, these are the records available in MySQL. And coming to MongoDB, so here I'm going to insert 3 documents in MongoDB. insert many and here emp number 1 ename a sal 1500 2 e this is 2500 and c e 3500 and see this. Observe these three data sets and this for emp number 1 in MySQL salary is 1000. Okay, and emp number 2 salary is 2500. So 500, 1500, 2500, 3500. Okay, so suppose if you get this data set in array, then what will be the index position? First one 0, second one 1, third one 2. Okay, so this type of data I want to display by using ForEach, for loop, for off. Okay, so this is emp number, ename, sal, mongo sal, assume like this name and index. Okay, so simple. Already we have discussed one API. So I am going to use same API for this scenario. So this is a get procedure for off loop. So in this procedure, okay. See this. So get underscore emp data. First we will execute this procedure. So we are getting data from database. So now here get reach or so I am using async and await. Okay, so async await loops. Okay, first of all I want to discuss async await in ForEach. Okay, so this is the API. So yesterday we have discussed about this API. Anybody has any doubts in this API? If nobody has doubts, then I will continue. So if you want to check it, so npm start. So this is the method name. Host name post. So this API, it is not expecting any parameters. Then you can directly click on send button. We are getting the data from API. Okay, so here to achieve this type of functionality, so I need to interact with MongoDB. Okay, so how to use async and await keywords. So before the element, you write async. Okay. After that, let assume like Mongo result await emp schema dot find emp number element dot emp number. So element dot emp number means that belongs to MySQL. emp number keyword that belongs to MongoDB. Okay, I'm going to map these two values. Okay, then so here we will get one result set that will be like this one. Like this, we will get one result set. Okay, so here I want to fetch the sal column only. So then Mongo sal equal to Mongo result of 0 dot sal. Okay, so here one more thing, you can write index, then you can have index number also, object index number. Okay, now so and you can give sal column, and here you can give Mongo sal, right, sal, and index number, that is called index. Okay, so result will be stored in result array. We will check whether it will work or not. So we are not getting any data. So for displaying the for loop result, I am going to use one more array, which is called for loop array. So here let object, I am going to use this entire object here, and here db response of I. And here index will be I, and here I am going to use same thing, these 3 lines,